In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Outlook. Integrating Grammarly with Outlook can enhance your writing by providing real-time spell check and grammar suggestions, ensuring that your emails are polished and professional. Whether you're using the desktop version, the new Outlook, or Outlook on the web, there's a way to get Grammarly up and running seamlessly. Let's start by looking at how to add Grammarly to the desktop version of Outlook. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Grammarly website. Once you're there, download Grammarly for either Windows or Mac, depending on your operating system. After you've downloaded the installer, run it on your computer. During the installation process, you'll want to make sure to select Outlook as an option. If you also use Word, feel free to check that box too, as Grammarly can support both. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to restart Outlook for the changes to take effect. When you open Outlook and compose a new email, Grammarly's widget should now appear, ready to assist you with your writing. Installing Grammarly directly into the desktop version of Outlook allows it to seamlessly check your spelling and grammar, helping to ensure that every piece of communication you send out is clear and error-free. Now, if you're on a Windows system and interested in an alternative, you can utilize the Grammarly add-in for Microsoft Office. Grammarly provides an official add-in that works with Outlook among other Microsoft Office products like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This add-in brings the same powerful grammar checking functionalities that Grammarly is known for directly into your Outlook application, making it an excellent choice for those who rely heavily on Microsoft Office Suite in their daily work. But what if you're one of the users who prefer the flexibility and accessibility of Outlook on the web? Luckily, you can still benefit from Grammarly by using the Grammarly browser extension. First, visit the extension store for your browser of choice. Whether it's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or others, simply search for the Grammarly extension. Once you find it, click to install and activate it. With the extension up and running, Grammarly will start checking your writing in the Outlook web interface. When you compose an email, Grammarly will automatically provide suggestions right there in the email compose boxes, helping you maintain clarity and correctness in your communication. Adding Grammarly to Outlook, whether on desktop or web, can significantly enhance your email communication. With these tools at your disposal, you can be confident that your messages are precise and professional, leaving a positive impression on your readers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.